The Thief and the Apple Tree, a powerful moral story. Every night, a thief would sneak into an old apple orchard and steal apples from a kind farmer's tree. One night, as he climbed the tree, a branch broke and he fell. The farmer heard the noise and rushed outside, but instead of beating him, the farmer helped the thief stand up and gave him a basket of apples. The thief cried with shame. He promised never to steal again. Moral: kindness can change even the hardest hearts.